Now, can I just say this?
I mean,
and let's just be real. No, hold it. Let's just be real clear about this. Because August 17th, you were supposed to be in court. You weren't here. So don't tell me that you're always coming, because you're not.
I spoke with the clerk and was told that they done.
Why are you not at the Washtenaw County Jail?
Turning myself in Monday. I got a burial plan today.
What'd you say?
I'm turning myself in Monday. I'll be there Monday.
Okay, you don't get to make the schedule.
I understand.
I told you back on September 14th to turn yourself into the jail by 6 p.m. that evening.
Yeah, but I was in Detroit. I don't have a drive. I can't drive.
You could have walked from Detroit to the jail by this time.
The content presented in this video is intended for commentary, analysis, and educational purposes, and is protected under the principles of fair use as defined by U.S. copyright law. Welcome to another captivating episode of Kangaroo Court Law. Today, we are about to step into the digital chambers of the Honorable Judge Cedric Simpson, where justice meets the undeniable cult of personality. In the first case, we encounter a defendant who's not afraid to voice his grievances and demands. He claims to have reached out to the prosecution, demanding evidence and a discussion about his case. But Judge Simpson, renowned for his no-nonsense approach, swiftly sets the record straight. He firmly informs the defendant that discussions with the prosecution about a pending case are off-limits, and a combative attitude won't get him very far. Our second defendant enters the virtual stage, seemingly unfazed by the consequences of his actions. He's failed to turn himself in to serve his jail sentence, yet here he is, appearing on Zoom court as if it's just another day in the office.
Court calls the case, People versus Raheem Bragg.
Maria Racinski on behalf of People.
Everybody's wondering how I know that.
Torsia Feaster again, assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. Raheem Bragg. Mr. Bragg, please unmute, turn on your camera, and state your name for the record.
Raheem Bragg.
Okay, thank you, sir. All right, what are we doing?
Thank you, Judge. I've spoken to Mr. Bragg. He has another matter in circuit court that we also have to resolve. I believe he wants me to request a dismissal on this file today because he says he hasn't received some video information. I've told him I did not think that would be fruitful, but that is what he is requesting at this time, Judge. I'm asking for—
If that's a motion, it's denied.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
I'm asking for a brief adjournment so that we can sit down and meet and try to figure out both the circuit court case and this file.
I'd like to ask a question, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, I'd like to know, I mean, you probably couldn't answer this, but from the prosecuting attorney's office, what is the holdup on the footage May 5th, I believe? Yes, May 5th from a case.
Sir, let me stop you right now, because you're going to get yourself into a whole bunch of trouble. First of all, you don't get to question the prosecuting attorney, okay? That is one of the reasons why if you have a question, you give that question to your attorney so the attorney can put it in a proper form if it's necessary to have an inquiry to the prosecutor as to some issue.
I did,
That's
Your Honor.
how it works.
I did, Your Honor, and I never get, as far as this case, I've never been reached out as far as even I don't have nothing on this case. I don't have a discovery packet. I've never reached out to be sat down to discuss my case. All I do is go to court for probable cause hearing. That's just it. And I get it adjourned based on video footage that seems to never be something that's talked about, period. I'm the only one concerned about video footage that I haven't
Mr. Bragg
heard of possibly being initiated to talk about.
Mr. Bragg, I am free
Now,
to—
can I just say this?
I mean,
let's just be real. No, hold it. Let's just be real clear about this. Because August 17th, you were supposed to be in court. You weren't here. So don't tell me that you're always coming, because you're not.
I'm done. It was told that
I'm done. I'm adjourning this out. You are not going to co-opt this proceeding. Don't tell me something that's not true.
Your Honor, excuse me, Your Honor. I had spoke with the clerk that day because I was with a private investigator on my other case, and I'm dealing with
I issued a warrant. You weren't here.
I did not have.
I issued a warrant. No matter how much you keep talking, nothing's going to change.
I mean, I'm not arguing, but I feel like I have the
Yes,
right
you
to
are,
be heard
because I'm
on-
telling you to be quiet. Mr. Feaster, how much time did you need? You're probably going to need more time than the 2 weeks because somebody's got to be checked.
Yes, please, Judge, 3-4 weeks, please, at least.
And what is this 3 to 4 weeks
Probable.
in regards
There he
to?
goes again. What do you want?
I would like to
What's
know
your
what
question?
3 to 4 weeks adjournment in regards to.
He wants to sit down and talk with you. The thing you were complaining about.
We've been saying that for the past couple months that we were supposed to sit down and talk. And I have not been reached out in regards to that matter at all.
You can come in tomorrow, Mr. Bragg, and let me know what time you're free. Sorry, Judge.
Mr. Feaster?
Judge, we can have 3 or 4
Once
weeks.
it's in court, I can give him an exam date.
Is that what you prefer, Mr. Bragg?
I mean, yeah, we can ask for a dismissal in regards to us not.
Let's just set it for exam then, please, Judge.
All right. Yeah, we
The
can.
soonest
Pardon?
possible
But we
exam.
can't.
Exam date?
And it's not something that I waived. I didn't waive my probable cause.
Jeez, oh Pete. Mr. Feaster, as the attorney of record, what would you like me to do, sir?
Judge, let's just move this case forward. We'd like the soonest possible exam date, please.
Well, soon as possible, we can set it this Tuesday. I'm taking.
Thank you, Judge.
Probable preliminary examination in person will be set September 26, 2023, this Tuesday, 9 a.m. That's before me. At this time, bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, that's it. Thank you. Court calls the case People versus Levantny, excuse me, Shannon.
Please end on behalf of the people.
Your Honor, Gina Novetsky, first assistant defender with on behalf of Mr. Shannon, who is present.
We got a problem.
We do have a small problem, Judge.
Mr. Shannon, state your name.
Lavatni Cedric Shannon.
Okay, and why are you not at the Washtenaw County Jail?
Turning myself in Monday. I got a burial plan today.
What'd you say?
I'm turning myself in Monday. I'll be there Monday.
Okay, you don't get to make the schedule.
I understand.
I told you back on September 14th to turn yourself into the jail by 6 p.m. that evening.
Yeah, but I was in Detroit. I don't have a drive. I can't drive.
You could have walked from Detroit to the jail by this time.
You're right.
Oh, I know I'm right.
Yes, sir.
I'm adjourning this 1 week and dare him not to be at the Washtenaw County Jail. You are to get there today.
Okay, sir.
You are just making things worse for yourself.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get my.
During the probable cause conference out 1 week to the 28th,
Okay.
2023, 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Yes,
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
Court calls the case People versus Jeff Davis. He did. Oh, the facility didn't.
Alex
Jeff
Jablowski for the
Davis.
people.
Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender representing Mr. Davis. Your Honor, Mr. Davis is in the Wayne County Jail. I don't believe I see them logged in.
No, they haven't signed in. What I will do, counsel, is I will. Sometimes they just sign in later.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.